Traders. So I'm going to do a quick breakdown video for what I'm looking at in this upcoming week. I will be trading the Dow Jones. We're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index Futures September contract chart. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So US 30 has pretty much been, I'm still holding a bullish bias. We have pretty much been holding at the trend line. So we've formed good dynamic support in this area along this trend line thus far. Looking at it deeper, you can see that we have maintained these lows here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've created higher lows in the market, and we've obviously maintained its previous structure. For as long as we still hold here, I'm still going to be looking for longs on US 30. So if you want to draw this trend line channel out here, you can do that. Let's just neaten this up. Right, so we got the first touch again up there, second touch there, so forth. Can do that here. So it's 1, 2, 3 there, right? And then likewise here, you've got the same scenario happening here. So you've got the first touch, second touch, third touch, and we're still hanging around the trend line in this portion. So until I get a break off this trend line, I will not be looking for shorts. So I want to see some sort of resistance being broken on the daily or the 4 hour. So we're looking at it here. So I've got a resistance area marked up here. Looking at right, so this is our resistance up there. You're looking at another support being sort of down here in this area. And price has pretty much been consolidating, but like I mentioned earlier, hanging above this trend line. For as long as we trade above the support, I'm still looking for longs. I will be looking for longs for a continuation all the way up to, so if I can find good support down here and I see a 4 hour close, that's enticing down here, I'm going to look for a long all the way back up. First take profit here. Then I'm going to look for price to break out of this resistance and then obviously come back for that retest and get in another entry there to ride this up back into previous structure, which would be up here. So I want to see price ultimately come up here and take out this level of resistance. You can draw it out here as well. All right, so that's what I would be looking for on a long position. On the daily, then yeah, like I said, on the 4 hour, you can always refine that to find your sweet spot and your sweet spot entries basically of the 4 hour. So I want to see price hold and give me good confirmation down here. Maybe form a new order block after we've liquidated these buyers here, and yeah, that's when I would look to get in. If you're looking at the reverse scenario of that, like I said, bullish bias. So on a reverse scenario, you would need to see price sort of take out this support down here. So you want to see price obviously push through the support, take out this low, close. I would preferably like to see a candle close below this low, and then come back for a retest. Before I can, look at going short on this market and then targeting firstly to fill out this imbalance area here. And then your next target would be this previous low here. But until we take out this support, break through it, close below this low, I'm not going to be looking for shorts. I want to see what price does down here first before I can, really commit to my next sort of setup. But yeah, that's basically it on the Dow Jones. I hope you guys found this informative, and yeah, take it easy.